In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use funnel analytics in ClickFunnels. Understanding how your funnels are performing can significantly impact your business strategy, allowing you to make informed decisions and optimize for better results. So let's get started. Firstly, you'll want to open funnel analytics within ClickFunnels. Start by logging into your ClickFunnels account. Once you're in, navigate to the funnel you're interested in analyzing. On your funnel dashboard, you'll see an option to check Stats or Analytics. Go ahead and click that. Here, you'll access a wealth of performance data, offering insights into each page and step within your funnel. Taking the time to familiarize yourself with these analytics will provide a clearer picture of how effectively your funnel is functioning and where improvements can be made. Next, it's essential to monitor key metrics to gauge the success of your funnel. Let's start with visitors. This metric tells you the total number of people who are visiting your funnel. Understanding this can help you measure traffic volume, giving you a baseline of how well your funnel is attracting attention. Then, there's the conversion rate. This is one of the most critical metrics to keep an eye on. It represents the percentage of visitors who complete a desired action, such as filling out an opt-in form, making a purchase, or booking an appointment. By analyzing your conversion rate, you gain insights into how compelling your funnel is and can identify areas that might need tweaking to improve performance. Another important metric is the number of contacts generated. This indicates how many leads you've collected through forms embedded in your funnel. Lead generation is often a key objective for many businesses, so consistently monitoring this number will help assess the effectiveness of your efforts in capturing potential customers. Lastly, you need to look at sales figures. This involves reviewing the total orders and revenue generated from your funnel. This data is your bottom line, revealing the real impact of your funnel on your business's profitability. Understanding your sales data helps you evaluate the return on investment for your marketing efforts and guides future strategies. As you review each of these metrics, remember that data analysis is an ongoing process. Regularly checking your funnel analytics equips you with the knowledge needed to make strategic decisions. It allows you to adapt to changes, improve your processes, and ultimately enhance your business performance. By using funnel analytics and ClickFunnels, you're not just observing numbers, you're gaining actionable insights that can propel your business forward. So dive into your analytics today and start unlocking the potential of your sales funnels. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.